What can we do?
We should play Xbox.
Hey, you're right. Here's a controller. Let's get started. I turned it on.
Yes, yes.
It's not working.
What's happening?
Me don't know.
What is that? No! No! I am going to show you how to fix an Xbox when it has the red ring of death.
Me too!
No, you're not! First, you will need 4 towels.
1, 3, 2, 4.
A water bottle.
1.
And last but not least, a pillow.
The first thing you do, you take the towels. You lift the Xbox up, obviously. Place a towel under it. And start wrapping away like it's a Christmas present. Take the other towel.
Be sure to decorate it,
Keep
otherwise it won't work.
Now, once you have the Xbox wrapped up, you can't even see it anymore. Where's the pillow?
Right here.
Take the pillow.
You cover it.
And you can go to bed.
What time is it?
According to my wristband, it's been 3 days. I'm tired.
Oh, we still gotta fix
the
this Xbox.
Oh,
We were sleeping on it.
Oh man, I forgot all about it. Okay, let's start September. Now that it's been 3 days, the second step is to leave it wrapped. And what you do is you get a partner. Make sure he's standing right on the other side. Go ahead, stand up. And what you have to do, you just dance. For like 4 days. I've never danced as much in my life.
Alright.
Oh wait, I think it's the 4th day. Okay, we can stop.
We're done.
Okay. Well, now that it's the end of our dancing, you take the water bottles that we were telling you about. Just go ahead and start drinking. Drink it.
Because you danced so much, you deserve this.
I think we drank too much.
I have a tummy ache.
Okay, step 4 is optional.
You take off
You first
pillow.
you take the pillow off and then you have to clean up whatever you drank. So let's get started on that. Oh,
Wake up!
I'm so tired though.
Ah.
My
Wait.
tummy still hurts.
We have to finish step 4.
Step.
Whether it kills us or not.
Now that we're done with step 4, take the pillow off. That was step 5. For step 6, we advise using a lot of padded protection. Shin guards, necessary. Chest
Hockey
pads,
pants,
anything.
optional.
Alright. This is the step that many people have died trying
Millions.
to do. We have to take off the towels.
This step is gonna be huge.
Okay, you ready? Grab them in.
Ready?
Oh my god.
That was close.
I almost died.
So did I.
We're getting there. Whoa, we're
Final
doing
step. Final step. Right this. Right here.
Do it. Alright.
Finally.
Hopefully you guys left this thing on.
Finally, we can play Xbox.
Alright, now we have to turn it off. And then when you turn it back on, It should work. But we're going to take off all our pad stuff before. Now for the final moment, please. This will decide if we can play Xbox. It should work. Come on, work. And there's your Xbox working.
Well, that's the end of our tutorial.
And that's a JH production for you.